Security efforts in 2026 prioritized neural networks, yet the most severe compromise of the year occurred outside the model itself. A single malformed HTTP header exposed roughly 325 million weekly downloads of foundational AI infrastructure to a total authentication bypass. Tracked as CVE 2026-48710, or bad host, this vulnerability appeared in the Starlette web framework. Its presence automatically exposed millions of AI agents relying on FastAPI, VLLM inference servers, the Model Context Protocol, and LangGraph orchestrators. Because Starlette is a component of thousands of downstream Python asynchronous projects, the impact extended through the transitive dependency tree. Integrating these standard libraries meant inheriting the vulnerability by default. This threat exists apart from mainstream concerns regarding prompt injection or model hallucination. It is an infrastructure failure occurring at the execution layer. The root cause is split brain execution, a condition where two distinct parsers within the same application stack evaluate a single request but disagree on its destination. Addressing this class of vulnerability requires looking past individual software patches and examining the internal trust surface of the execution layer architecture. Traditional enterprise software relies on deterministic logic. However, modern agentic systems utilize probabilistic, agent-driven architectures to handle complex tasks. This architecture divides the system in two. The top orchestration layer, like LangGraph, acts as the cognitive brain handling planning, state, and permissions. Beneath is the execution layer, ASGI servers, clients, and external tool integrations interacting with the network. These are the AI's hands. The defining principle of this design is that agents reason while the orchestration layer executes. To maintain safety, the orchestration layer must serve as a single control plane. It governs the swarm of agents rather than relying on fragmented security checks inside individual models. If the execution layer fails, it feeds corrupted state context back to the orchestrator. The AI agent then reasons and acts upon that falsified context, effectively automating an exploitation path on behalf of an attacker. We rebuild the Python AI stack. At the base, the ASGI server manages raw incoming traffic. Above it, Starlette and FastAPI host security middleware. The stack is completed by the orchestrator, like LangGraph, which relies on the lower components for accurate data. In Starlette, the framework must reconstruct the client's requested URL before it is passed to downstream middleware and application logic. This reconstruction uses a simplistic string concatenation template, combining the scheme, the host header provided by the server, and the requested path. Starlette implicitly trusts this host header. It does not validate the string against the strict grammatical constraints defined in RFC 912, meaning it does not reject characters like forward slashes or question marks. Using raw string manipulation for URL parsing introduces edge cases that violate secure design principles, creating the conditions for a system-wide collapse. This flaw enables a parser differential, a scenario where two components interpret the same data differently. In the context of language-theoretic security, this discrepancy breaks the assumption that the system is operating in a shared, safe state. An attacker targets a restricted endpoint, crafting a malformed host header, including a public health check path. The underlying ASGI router accurately routes the connection to the restricted endpoint. Simultaneously, Starlette reconstructs a corrupted URL string, shifting the path boundaries to the public endpoint. When the security middleware checks the request path to enforce access control, the framework's parser returns /health instead of the actual destination. Because the health check is public, the middleware approves the request. The attacker gains full access to the protected endpoint. The security layer has been deceived, while the routing layer proceeds with the execution. This compromise is achieved without stolen credentials or memory corruption. Total application takeover occurs because a meticulously crafted header tricked the middleware into misinterpreting the state of the request. These vulnerabilities manifest clearly in self-hosted LangGraph and LangSmith deployments, which are used to manage multi-agent workflows. Self-hosted open-source versions leave authentication and access control to the developer, typically involving wrapping the API in custom Starlette middleware for session management. Exploiting the parser differential allows an attacker to bypass this custom middleware. This grants them direct access to agent state endpoints, where they can manipulate threads or extract long-term memory. The risk extends to the Model Context Protocol, which bridges AI agents with internal enterprise databases and toolsets. The MCP specification requires OAuth discovery endpoints to remain unauthenticated to allow agents to perform initial handshakes. Attackers use these unauthenticated endpoints to reliably inject the host header payload. This allows them to reach protected execution nodes, where they can invoke agentic tools and extract sensitive data. Ultimately, an agentic architecture is only as secure as its underlying web framework. If the execution layer fails to parse state correctly, the orchestrator's cognitive planning becomes a liability. In regulated sectors like life sciences and healthcare, these infrastructure flaws present severe compliance challenges. Traditional computerized system validation was designed for deterministic software. Recognizing the AI shift, the FDA's Computer Software Assurance Guidance mandates a risk-based methodology instead. This aligns with GAMP5 Appendix D11, which dictates that AI models, execution logs, and system prompts must be treated as formal, version-controlled records. Under 21 CFR Part 11, these records must be protected by robust authentication. Vulnerabilities like bad host, bypassing authentication entirely, directly violate these data integrity mandates. In GXP environments, an unauthenticated execution layer constitutes a fundamental regulatory violation, invalidating the compliance posture of the entire system. A core principle of system design is that security contracts fail when the execution layer and the orchestration layer evaluate different states. You must design both layers to see the same world, or design your system to survive when they don't. It is a misconception that deploying behind AI security tools or standard application load balancers ensures safety against these architectural flaws. Advanced LLM code scanners failed to identify the bad host vulnerability because it spans 3 distinct codebases. The intersectional nature of the execution is too spatially disjointed for current context window constraints to synthesize. Similarly, relying on default Nginx configurations often provides a false sense of defense. Unless edge proxies are configured to abruptly terminate connections with malformed headers, the vulnerability remains reachable. Securing these systems requires zero blast radius design, engineering the architecture with the assumption that the execution layer has already been bypassed. This involves moving away from implicitly trusted middleware paths. True security depends on using cryptographically pinned, rigorously validated communication protocols to bridge the orchestrator and its environment. Securing the orchestrator trust surface requires a 4-point execution layer architecture audit of all AI infrastructure. Point 1 is state source verification. Determine whether your authentication middleware evaluates the immutable path provided by the ASGI server or a mutable property reconstructed by the framework. Point 2 is host header termination. Verify that edge proxies are configured to terminate connections containing invalid RFC characters using strict 444 status codes rather than passing the traffic upstream. Point 3 is the orchestrator blast radius. Evaluate if a middleware bypass allows an attacker to extract long-term memory stores, such as PGVector or Redis, from the agentic environment. Point 4 is CSA validation artifacts. Ensure CI/CD pipelines generate the digital evidence required by GAMP5 to prove the structural integrity of the execution layer. Organizations must secure the foundational application layers immediately. Without these reforms, the deployment of autonomous AI agents will continue to expand the enterprise attack surface, rendering the benefits of the technology moot.